There was a time, not too long ago, when Patrick Chinamasa sounded like a constitutionalist. It was 2024, and he lectured a Wars and PF conference for 60 minutes, clarifying what the Zimbabwe Constitution says about term limits. From referendums, the rhetoric, when constitutionalism becomes a career move. Then was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pa yendo ya reason of our GT. The discussion then was the same one before us today. The prospect of extending presidential terms, the reconfiguring the architecture of power beyond what the constitution clearly permits. At the time, Chinamasa, then ZVAITWA Secretary for Legal Affairs, did something unusual in our politics. He read the constitution, he explained in clear and unambiguous terms what the constitution says. And having read it, he said something even more unusual. He warned that any attempt to extend a presidential term would not be straightforward. It would require more than parliamentary arithmetic. It would require referendums, plural. He pointed out correctly that the constitution does not allow incumbents to benefit from such extensions without going back to the people. In short, he said the constitution was not negotiable. That was then. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ina. Chinokonzo Chinamasa vaimboonekwa vachiuya vachitsanangura the constitution, its structure, its provisions. Vanyazotaura kuti they must be adhered by everyone. Everyone must comply with the constitution, but they are the ones now vakutora the constitution vachigarira pasi vachirasa mpini. Pena section medu bodza mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like, punch it down on the bell icon.